what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wallet Reset. Today, I'm excited to share with you something that I've been doing for like the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, that is amazing to me. So, I'm going to go ahead and get into the best PPC marketing strategy for a beginner. All right, now this is literally something that's great for beginners, but it's also something, it's kind of something that I think is good for anyone that can use pay-per-click for their business, because this is very strategic and it puts you immediately in charge of how much you're spending and how easily you can get leads to come to your business. So let me go ahead and dive into the story, right? So the story behind this, right, is obviously you guys know I do digital marketing for an insurance company if you follow my YouTube channel, right? So here's the cool thing about doing pay-per-click on a daily basis and doing digital marketing on a daily basis, both for my own business and for a company that I work for, right, is that I get to always be trying new things, always be, moving the ball forward in a way. And something that we tried last week was pay per call, right? So pay per call, and I'm going to just draw a little phone icon thing, right? That's the phone, right? Boom. My fancy phone number thing. So pay per call is it's a ridiculously awesome way to get leads who are ready to basically buy, to call you, right? To call your business so that they can get what you want. Now, what makes this awesome is that you basically tell Google or whatever pay-per-click platform that you're using, you tell them how much it is worth for you to have a phone call. So, for example, right, if you know that when you close a sale, you make, let's say, $1,000, right? If you close a sale and you make $1,000, how many people would you need to talk to in order to basically close a sale, right? So, especially if they're like ready to buy, they're saying, I'm trying to shop for something. What? Let's say 10 to 20, right? 10 to 20 people that you would need to talk to in order to close a sale. So if it's 10, then you can afford to pay up to $100 per call. If it's 20, you can afford to pay up to $50 per call. Now, another thing to think about is about how long does it take to get to the point where the customer is deciding yes or no, right? And here's the thing, the reason why that's important is because you get to also tell Google or whatever advertising platform you're using how long it takes to get through to say, okay, this isn't just a tire kicker anymore. This is someone who's actually legit trying to solve this problem, right? So what you end up doing, right? So let's say that you have a normal sales process where you take people and ask certain questions and then they are a lead. And let's say that takes about a minute to 2 minutes to get through to your call. Well, you could say, okay, by the time I get to, let's say, a minute, right? So 1 minute. By the time I get to 1 minute, they are a lead. All right? So that means that I'm willing to pay after I get to 1 minute on a call with a lead from your advertising agency or your advertising platform, right? Now this is when you would pay, and all you have to do is make sure that you are closing. This is why it's such a great strategy. Now this is excellent for beginners, excellent for advanced people, and believe it or not, you can use this for affiliate marketing as well with pay-per-call offers, right? So why is this a great strategy for beginners? Why is this one of the best strategies for beginners? Because, number one, you control how much you spend right, based on your offer, right? And the good thing is that you are also getting calls. So no matter what, they're leads. Now, if you are using this for affiliate offers, you wouldn't field the call. You would send the call to your offer. So you need to make sure that that offer has a good system in terms of calling. Basically, you need to become your own first best lead. But once you understand how to do this, that's pretty much it. And the cool thing is, it still works based on keywords, right? You still are essentially targeting your audience the same exact way as you normally would. So, what do you want to do in order to get in front of these people, right? Where are they? Are they searching on YouTube or searching on Google, or are they searching on Facebook? Chances are, the best way, I'll just, instead of saying chances are, let me just tell you the best way to use this, right? At least in my situation. So, let's say that you're selling car insurance, which is not what we're using it for, but I'm just going to assume we're selling car insurance, right? So when does someone search for car insurance? They're probably in a dealership right now, right? So I want to think about how I can target people to get a phone call. So number one, I might look for local dealerships, right? And then work it so that my ad is targeted to people who are in those dealerships or in a surrounding area of those dealerships, right? I might also, and this is a huge key, right? Buy your keywords, right? Basically, think about what you would ask for or what you would say or type in order to buy car insurance, right? So you say, buy car insurance, get car insurance quote, so on and so forth. You have to really play with this thing, right? And then, now here's the key. Once your ad is running and you're starting to spend a little bit of money, you're going to notice, right, especially because you should have your analytics tied into this, right? You're going to notice that some of these clicks are coming from words that you maybe didn't think about that don't really help you sell. Well, what you would do is add those to your negative keywords, right? Keywords that you do not want to send you traffic, right? And that makes it so that you're optimizing it as time goes on, all right? Now, this is awesome because the only thing you have to do at that point is focus on creating ads that convert, ads that send people, get people who are ready to buy to call you, right? And if it doesn't convert, you make a new ad, you turn off the one that didn't convert, you find the best ad that you can and you just run it, right? So if you're a beginner, try this out, especially if you're starting with a lead generation business of your own, or you work for a local business, local company that needs these leads to call them. All right, so this is awesome. It's working for me in my job. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you could implement this for yourself, your business, or clients, whatever business you work for. Thanks for watching this video. This is going to be amazing. I'm going to have most likely more to talk about in the coming weeks and months about pay-per-call. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys next time. Give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.